Medical marijuana was passed by the House. It is before the Senate. Where do you fall on that issue? Many in law enforcement say they have some concerns about a slippery slope. Many in the medical community are split on the issue, with some saying that it gives great relief to some who are in agonizing discomfort.
Well, look, let me say, first of all, look, I sympathize with folks in Kentucky, or brothers and sisters that are struggling with pain and difficulties that are born out of past experiences or past hurts or injuries. I understand that, or they've got a significant diagnosis. But at the same time, I side with our law enforcement community in the sense that I don't want to put Kentucky in a position that challenges us when it comes to interdicting drugs in the Commonwealth, meaning if medical marijuana makes it more difficult for our law enforcement community to be able to interdict drugs and get drugs off the street, I think that's something we have to seriously think through. Obviously, the bill is continuing its way through the legislature, but I think the concerns that have been raised by law enforcement related to putting another potential drug in the market that could be diverted and used for unintended purposes is really challenging. So I for one, think that we need to pause and make sure that we've really thought through this. Again, I know
So you oppose it passing in this session?
Well, again, I won't say I oppose in this session, but I want to make sure that the law enforcement community's reservations are really focused on, and you know, from my point of view, medical marijuana is something that perhaps shouldn't be passed in this legislative session.
Everybody knows someone who's sick. 40% will get cancer. Only half's gonna live. Your mom and your dad and your sister stand inside a room, and someone won't survive it. Do you hope it isn't you?